Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.